the number that brings you success, the number that brings you prosperity and abundance. Well, sharing with you how you can find that number from your date of birth. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to this episode on how to find out the number that gives you wealth, success and prosperity. But should I say it starts raining money? Well, welcome to Invincible Family. If you are new to this family, then happy to have you here. If you're already part of the family, then don't forget to give us the like and share this episode as well. Before I dive further, the bonus tip is at the end that will make sure you are always raining money. But what I'm about to share is just a small glimpse of my online numerology foundation course. The enrollments are open and the link is here and also in the description. And for this Invincible family, I have already given a 50% special discount for this Invincible family, and you have 24 more hours to avail this price. The enrollments will still be open for next 3 weeks, but then the price goes up, which is the regular price. If you want to get started and join, the link is here. And this is just a small snippet of what I'll be sharing in the course. Now, your date of birth reflects many things about you. In previous episode, I did share with you how you can find out the number that gives you excellence. Today is the number that brings you Lakshmi, the wealth, the prosperity. I have here the date of birth, someone born on 14th May 1984. You can go ahead and write your date of birth. So 14th, write it like this. So 14th adds to 5, then the month is 5. If you add the 2 digits of the century, 1 plus 9 gives you 1. 84, if you add, gives you 12. You reduce that to single digit. Now 5 plus 5 gives you 10, reduce it to 1. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So this is how you do. Write your date of birth and start following. Now 1 plus 4 here gives you 5. Now again add this 1 plus 5 gives you 6. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. If you total this, 6 plus 6 gives you 12. You add it, reduce it, it's 3. In this side, now 4 plus 1 gives you 5, 4 plus 3 gives you 7. If you add these two, it will give you 3. Now in the end, 5 and 1 gives you 6, 5 and 4 gives you 9. If you add 9 and 6 gives you 6. Now, further down is the triangle. It has these numbers, and when you reduce 5 and 5 gives you 10. 1. Now what does this mean? This 5 is something, if brings you money. This side of the 5 talks about, it could be any other number just in this date of birth. So this talks about someone who will, if they do the work related to 5, that will bring them a lot of name, fame and success and abundance of wealth. How do you calculate this part? I'll be sharing with you in my numerology course, for which the link is here. Keep in mind, I have shared with you in many episodes, what is number 5? 5 relates to Mercury, planet of wealth, planet of speech, planet of communication, travel, connectivity, and 2021 adds to 5. So someone who does work related to 5, bring money, the work, 5 also refers to business, will become the leader in that industry. This is the birth date of Mark Zuckerberg. Are you surprised? I'm sure you are not if you're following me. Numbers don't lie. They speak. It's just you have to learn to interpret the language of numbers. Go ahead and do your numbers and let me know what you found. So let's share another example of birth date where you can find the number that gives you success, the number that makes you wealthy. And indeed, every element in this date of birth gives you a clear snippet about what you should be doing in your life. This is the next date of birth, December 27, 1965. So if you add the month of December, 1 plus 2 gives you 3. 27, 2 plus 7 gives you 9. First 2 digits of the century gives you 1, 6 and 5. If you add, gives you 11, reduce it to 2. Now 3 and 9, if you add, gives you 3. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 2 gives you 3. Now if you add 3 and 3 gives you 6. Follow along. So 9 and 3 gives you 3. 3 plus 3 gives you 6. If you add these two, give you 9. Again, 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 gives you 9. What are these numbers? What do they speak? These are the numbers which show many things. But let's wrap it up first. 6 plus 3 here gives you 9, and this also 6 plus 3 gives you 9. If you add 9 and 9, still gives you 9. This triangle has the numbers 6, 3 and 9. This, how you can calculate, I'll be sharing with you in my online numerology course. The link is here. The enrollments are open, and currently the 50% off discount. You have still 24 hours to register, and the enrollments will be open for next 3 more weeks, and then the price will be the regular price. But if you want to learn more, a big hint, this number 6 tells about that this number 6 will bring a lot of money to this person, and if this person does the work related to 3, then this number 9 is the number of wealth. This number 9 is the number of abundance and prosperity. So 6 is the show business, creativity. 3 is creative. 6 is the industry where you're trying to glitz and glamour. So this is the date of birth of Bollywood actor Salman Khan. He acting in the media. His most of the movies, number 9 relates to planet Mars and action. The movies that are action oriented, creativity and the show business brings him abundance. Indeed, it is known to everyone. His action-packed movies are liked more than just where he plays the romantic roles. Why is it so? Numbers don't lie. Numbers do speak. You just need to learn how to interpret, how to understand what numbers are speaking to you. Well, all these numbers, as I was just sharing, they refer to certain time in your life. Till what age, what number will prevail, how others perceive you, what line of business you can go, just like I shared in my previous episode on the number of excellence. Hope you had fun. You went ahead and did your date of birth as well. Now, as I shared the bonus tip, everyone loves abundance. They want to achieve the success. But from Hindu religion, Lakshmi is referred to goddess Lakshmi, the wealth. Anytime you are invoking the blessing of goddess Lakshmi, don't forget to invoke and invite and seek the blessings of Lord Narayana as well. From the legendary story of Bhrigu Rishi that made upset goddess Lakshmi and the curse that followed, it was for the sole reason that Lord Narayana was not invited. And symbolically, if you say, Ma Lakshmi, goddess wealth, is the external, Lord Narayana is the internal, the soul. Soul and body, you cannot separate. And if you are inviting the blessings of good luck, the honesty, integrity is critical. So invite Lord Narayana as well. I hope you enjoyed, and do leave me your comments. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Next week, I'll be sharing the part 2 on the sigils and how to manifest, and another technique and method on creating sigils. Hope to see you inside. Take care.